Hello everyone, my name is Nushafina binti Ahmad Saha. My number matric is 10DDT 20TF 1046, and today my teammate and I will explain about our project name Charity Fundraising UNICEF. So here coding HTML, which is index.html, to answer all requirements questions needed. This coding to make menu drop down that includes home, about us, campaigns, get involved, contact us, and donation form. Also, we do some Mercure direction for the header. Continuing with the content that have text welcome to our charity and some of introducing our team building project and set footer. Next, coding to set campaigns navigation and the content. Next, coding about us navigation sections and the content. In this slide, coding for get involved and the content. Next, coding to manage contact us page and the content that have form name, email, subjects, and message. This coding to set donation form and the content that include name, email, amount, and payment method. In this slide, show coding script JavaScript to show validation to form when user did not fulfill all the requirements needed. Others, we also add CSS file to make our website more user-friendly and looks comfy, and our theme is soft green website.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Aini Dalina binti Azmizam. My number matrix is 10DDT 23F1032. I will explain about screenshot of output desktop interface. So, the first one is our homepage. This is a screenshot with the file name. At the bottom, it have our picture and our name, also our position in this charity fundraising project. We also add a footer for our copyright issue. Next, we go to second page that is about us. There's a picture related to charity and user can also get to know about our campaign more. We also add a button in every page so that it will make the user easy to go back to homepage. Next is our campaign page. This page tells about all of our campaign, which is Love Yourself and Stronger Together Malaysia. User can choose which one they want to get involved. Next, we jump to the next page, which is Get Involved. User can help by volunteering, donate or partnering with us to do the charity. We also add a validation in our Contact Us form page. The first validation is for name in the form. If user don't fill out their name, it will show a validation so they fill out the name. Next is for email, same like name validation. If they don't include the @ sign, it will show a validation that the @ sign is missing and user must include that in their email address. We also add a validation for subject and message. User have to fill out these two. Next is message box will display after user send message or submit the form. Other than that, we also add a validation for name and email, which is same like the Contact Us form page in form donation. Next is message box that will display for limit amount for donation. For example, if user want to donate RM5, it will show a message box that says minimum donation is RM20. Moreover, if user didn't select a payment method, it will show a validation which tells user to select an item in the list. Last but not least, we add a message box which is display a thank you for your donation after user make a payment. Next, I pass this presentation to my teammate that is Nur Izzah Yasmin.
Hi, my name is Noor Izzah binti Muhammad Sofyan. My matric number is 10DDT23L1027 and I will present about output of mobile interface. Here is a screenshot of our project mobile interface, specifically showcasing the homepage. As you can see, the website is fully responsive and optimized for smaller screens, which is essential for user accessibility on mobile devices. On the left side, we have the main landing section. It includes the project title, Charity and Fundraising UNICEF, clearly displayed in a hidden section with a green background. Right below, there is a warm welcome message followed by vibrant image symbolizing teamwork and unity, reflecting the spirit of our charity. Scrolling down, we have our team's building section. This introduces the members behind the project. Each team member is presented with a professional headshot and name for a personal touch. On the right side of the screenshot, we continue showcasing more team members with their respective roles and such as the digital marketer and public relations. This helps in identifying each person's contribution and builds trust with users and donors visiting the site. At the very bottom, we added the simple footer with copyright notice, which adds professionalism and indicates the project's timeline, in this case, 2025. Next, on the left is about drop-down menu. This shows the mobile view of our homepage. When the green menu button is clicked, a drop-down appears with links to Home, About Us, Campaigns, Get Involved, Contact Us, Donation Form. This is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate on small screens. On the right, About Us page. This is the About Us page in mobile view. It includes a short message about children's issue worldwide, an illustration and a back to home button. At the bottom, there is a footer with the 2025 notice for branding. Next are about our campaigns and Get Involved, optimized for mobile users. On the left, the campaigns page outlines our key initiative. The first campaign, Love Yourself, focuses on mental health awareness among youth, promoting open conversation and emotional well-being. The second, Stronger Together Malaysia, we developed in response to COVID-19 and aims to support healthier lifestyle and stress management. In the center and right image, we see the Get Involved page, which encourages community participation. Visitors are invited to volunteer, donate, or become partners in our mission. Visual cues like the volunteers needed poster and donation graphics make it more engaging and easier to navigate. These sections are crucial for building awareness and inspiring action among users who want to contribute to positive change. This slide shows the mobile interface of a simple Contact Us for implementation. The layout is responsive, clean, and designed to be user-friendly on mobile devices. On the left, we have the default view of the form before any input is provided. It includes fields for full name, email address, subject, and message. At the bottom, there's clearly styled Send Message button in green, making it easy to interact with. On the right, we can see what happens when the user tries to submit the form without filling in the full name field. The browser built-in validation is triggered, and it prompts the user to complete the required field. This simple validation improves usability and prevents incomplete submissions. Notice that the rest of the form is filled out with test data, and only the name field triggers the warning. This ensures that users receive real-time feedback and are guided to fill out the form correctly. This form design ensures both functionality and a good user experience, especially for mobile users. On this slide, display how email validation is handled in the mobile version of the contact form. On the left side, we see an example where the user entered an invalid email address Shafina Saha without the alliance symbol. The browser built-in validation prompt the user with a message that says please include an alliance in the email address. This helps prevent incorrect email formats, ensuring that user provide a valid email address before submission. On the right side, we see what happens when the email field completely left blank. The browser alerts the user with a message saying please fill out this field. The reinforces the required nature of the email input. Together, these two screenshots demonstrate the basic yet essential client-side validation that enhances data accuracy and user experience. For this slide, present how validation is implemented for the subject and message fields in the mobile version of the contact form. The left image shows that when the subject field is left blank, the browser prompts the user with the message, please fill out this field. This ensures the user cannot proceed without entering a subject. Similarly, the right image demonstrates the same validation for message field. If it is empty, the form displays the same prompt to fill in the required field. These validations are crucial for making sure users provide meaningful input, preventing incomplete form submissions, and improving communication quality. This slide shows what happens after a user successfully fills out the contact form and clicks on Send Message in the mobile interface. As you can see in the image, a confirmation message box appears stating, "Thank you, your message has been sent." This gives user immediate feedback that their message submission was successful. Such feedback not only improves user experience but also assures the sender that their communication was properly delivered. On this slide, demonstrate the donation form in the mobile view. On the left, we see the blank form where users are prompted to enter their full name, email address, amount in Malaysian ringgit, and select a payment method. On the right, a validation message is shown. In the full name field is left empty. A browser generate warning appears stating please fill out this field. This ensures that no required fields are skipped during form submissions. Validation like this is essential for collecting complete and accurate donor information and preventing submission errors. This slide focuses on the email field validation in the donation form when viewed on a mobile device. In the left screenshot, the user has entered an invalid email address missing the alliance symbol. As a result, the browser displays a warning, please include an alliance in the email address. This ensures the input matches proper email format standard. On the right, the email field has been left blank. As expected, the form shows another validation prompt, please fill out this field. These validations help maintain the quality and accuracy of user inputs before submission, reducing potential errors in contact and payment information. This slide shows how the donation form handles validation for the amount field on mobile devices. In the left screenshot, the user has not entered an amount. As expected, the system displays a prompt saying, please fill out this field. This is a basic HTML form validation to ensure the field is not left empty. In the right screenshot, the user has entered 5 ringgit. However, the system enforces a minimum donation limit of 20 ringgit. A custom message box is displayed that reads, minimum donation is 20 ringgit. This approach combines both standard form validation and custom business rules to ensure valid and appropriate input from users. Lastly, this slide illustrates 2 key movements in the donation process related to the payment method field. In the left screenshot, the user has filled in all other fields correctly, but has not selected a payment method. As a result, the system displays a validation message, please select an item in the list. This ensures that payment method must be chosen before proceeding. In the right screenshot, the form has been fully and correctly filled out. After clicking Donate Now, the system displays a confirmation message, thank you for your donation. This message provides feedback to the user confirming the successful submission. These validations and message help create a smooth and user-friendly experience, especially on mobile device. That's all from me. Thank you.
So now I will give example by using a mobile phone. This is our home and we include a drop down menus for user friendly. We go to about us and back to home. Campaigns, our campaigns, back to home. Get involved, back to home. And contact us. For contact us, we set validation for all requirement. For example, like this. And send message will validation for email because it didn't include a alias. And if we delete the hello and send message will display validation for subject. And if we send message without field message, it display validations. If we send message by insert all the requirement, it will display message box that thank you, your message has been sent. Back to home. And for donation form, same like contact us, it has validations also. But for amount, we set a minimum donation is amount RM20, which is user need to make a donation about 40 ringgit and donate now. It will display message box, thank you for your donations.